Today we're converting fractions to decimals. I have three fractions listed here: 5/10, 300ths, and 136 thousandths. When I convert a fraction over with a denominator of 10, 100, or 1000, I listen to the way I say my number. So 5/10, there is 1 0 in tenth, there in 10, therefore there is only one digit after the decimal. In 300ths, there are 2 zeros in 100, therefore there are 2 digits after the decimal, 0 and 300ths. In 136 thousandths, 1000 has 3 zeros after there are 3 zeros in 1000, therefore I have 3 digits after the decimal. So that's one way that you can convert a fraction to a decimal. Let's say I have a fraction that looks like this. Two ninths. And I want to convert 2 ninths. I want to convert 2 ninths to a decimal. In order to do that, I have to divide. 2 goes in the box. 9 is my divisor. 9 goes outside. After I write my number 2, I will place a decimal point and add 3 zeros. Adding 3 zeros is not a rule. That's what I choose to do. Bump my decimal up. So now I ask myself a question: can I divide 2 by 9? If I have two things, can I get a group of 9 out of it? The answer is no. So I write 0. 9 times 0 is 0. We're going to do long division. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down my 0. 9 goes into 20 2 times. I can get 2 groups of 9 out of 20. 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract. I can't take away 8 from nothing, so I have to borrow. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down my 0. Again, 9 goes into 20 2 times. 9 times 2 is 18. I'm going to subtract again. Borrow from the 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. And what we have is a repeating decimal. So I just draw a line over the 2 to show that it's repeating, and I'm done. So two ways that I've shown that you can convert fractions to decimals. If the fraction has a denominator of 10, 100, or 1000, it's just an easy conversion. The way you say the number is the way you write it as a decimal. If you have a fraction that doesn't have 10, 100, or 1000, and you can't multiply to get 10, 100, or 1000, then you have to do long division to convert your fraction to a decimal.